Dear students, last class we are discussing regarding the what conduction property. Now this session will be the last concept in that solid state. Okay, that is what magnetic property of what solid. Magnetic property in a solid. Every solids, okay, consider metal or any crystalline or amorphous solids, they should possess what magnetic property due to presence of magnetic field. On the magnetic field na apply madidre all particles should possess the what magnetic property. Okay, so in that, how the magnetic properties are originated? Due to the presence of electron. Due to presence of electron, it should be origin of the magnetic property by the electrons. Okay, by electrons magnetic property will generate. Here each electrons behave as a tiny magnetic, okay, magnet. So ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ಕೂಡ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ there is a charged particle. There is a charged particle. When you apply the magnetic field, it should be oriented or take deviation by the action of what electron. So we can say each electron behave as a tiny magnets. Okay, that magnetic momentum originated by the two motions. Okay, that magnetic momentum, or we can say it's a magnetic momentum due to presence of the charges. It can deviate or what it can take a diversion by the action of magnetic field. That's called as an what magnetic, or we can say magnetic momentum that should be originated by the two motions in an electron. Okay, electronally there are two kinds of motions are there. For example, if you consider it's an atom. Okay, in that atom enlarge ಮಾಡಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ, atom center having nucleus, electrons where it located, it should be located at the what outside the revolve around the nucleus. Nucleus na around electron revolve ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತದೆ. Now one type of motion is in orbital motion. Okay, orbital motion of electron around the nucleus. Nucleus ಇದಾದ್ರೆ it should be what electron, it is an electron and it is a nucleus. Okay, when you apply the magnetic field in this direction, it should be magnetic field. Okay, magnetic field applied in this direction, this electron revolve around the what nucleus. That's a one kind of motion. That's a one kind of motion. And one more, if enlarge this electron, okay, enlarge this electron spinning its own axis. Okay, just like in solar system or solar system, sun is in what nucleus. There should be what planets are revolve around the sun, and our earth can revolve around its own axis. Same thing happens here also. If it is an electron revolve around the nucleus as well as spin its own axis. The second type of motion is spinning around its own axis. Other axis alle rotation. There are two rotations are possible that I already know, plus half or minus half. Okay, so parallel or anti-parallel. One clockwise idre and anti-clockwise direction rotate agtide. Again, it should be the magnetic field. Okay, magnetic field lies in this direction. Okay, spinning around this direction in a electron itself. Then the magnetic momentum is very small. Okay, so idu ondu already smaller particle. So magnetic momentum also is very small. That should be measured by a unit. Okay, each what concept that should having the measurement units. So for magnetic momentum we can unit for the measuring, that is Bohr magneton. We can write like this mu. Okay, Bohr magneton. So Bohr magneton, it's an electrical property na show ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ we can say mu p ಅಥವಾ Bohr magneton value in terms of ampere ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ now one Bohr magneton that's equal to 9.27 into 10 power minus 24 ampere meter square. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ one Bohr magneton value 9.27 into 10 power minus 24 ampere meter square. Or magnetic momentum na ಹೇಳುತ್ತಿದ್ರೆ you can directly say Bohr magneton. That will discuss in the later sessions or next chapters, upcoming chapters. Okay, next we'll move for the types of the what magnetism properties in a solid based on what magnetic momentum. Okay, magnetic property, attraction, repulsion, like that. Our property basis mele we can categorize this what substance can into 5 types, which are they? Paramagnetic, diamagnetic, ferromagnetic, and antiferromagnetic and ferrimagnetic. Okay, so paramagnetism, diamagnetism, ferromagnetism, and antiferro and ferrimagnetism. These are the only 5 kinds of what categories present in a what substance which are possess the magnetic property. How the magnetic property in ತೋರಿಸುತ್ತದೆ, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ we can categorize into 5. Now we'll move for the what types of categories of what magnetic natures. First one, that is paramagnetism. Why the paramagnetism is happens? Okay, here all categories based on magnetic property. When I apply magnetic field, that should be attracted or repelled. That based on in that basis we can categorize to 5. The first one is paramagnetic. So in a paramagnetic, we can say weakly attracted by the substances. Okay, paramagnetic substance which are weakly attracted by the magnetic field. ಒಂದು ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಇಂದ ವೀಕ್ಲಿ ಅಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಆದರೆ there should be paramagnetic substance. The next point regarding that, magnetism of what? Magnetic field in a same direction. Magnetism in a same direction. ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನಿಗೆ ಅಥವಾ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಯಾವ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಾ ಅದೇ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟಿಕ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ವಿಚ್ ಆರ್ ಪ್ರೊಸೆಸ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತದೆ. Okay, next, in the absence of magnetic field, okay, so this can process only in the presence of what? Magnetic field. If you cut off the magnetic field, magnetic property na apply ಮಾಡೋದನ್ನ ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸಿದ್ರೆ, here it will stop. There is no magnetism. Okay, now we'll move further. Why this happens? ಯಾಕೆ ಇದಾಗ್ತದೆ? Due to the presence of here, it should be presence of one or more unpaired electron should be present either in an atomic orbital or in a molecular orbital. In terms of what? Electrons. In terms of electron, and you know the orbitals s, p, d, like that. Okay, now I'll consider s and p. Here s orbital, it should filled with a 2 electron only. In a p we can write 6 electron, but ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದೇನು? Consider only one orbital. In one orbital we can write or we can fill only 2 electrons. ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಹಾಕಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ? ಡ್ಯೂ ಟು ಪ್ರೆಸೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಒನ್ ಆರ್ ಮೋರ್ ಅನ್ಪೇರ್ಡ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್. ಅನ್ಪೇರ್ಡ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ನಾವು ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ 2 is there, that should be paired. ಅನ್ಪೇರ್ಡ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ there is an absence of one electron or less of electron in a orbital. Now it is also an unpaired. In a p also and s also, ಒಂದು orbital ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು electron, that is unpaired. Due to this unpaired nature, it will possess the paramagnetic nature. Example ಯಾವುದೆಲ್ಲ? O2. Okay, O2 molecule na orbital diagram, you know that. Okay, you know the O2 molecule. This is an example for what? Paramagnetic nature. These 3 are the example for what? Paramagnetic nature. Yake? Now I'll take only O2 molecule. In a O2 molecular orbital diagram, you know that. Okay, sigma here, sigma 1s, sigma star 1s, like that. So ಹಾಗೆ ನೀವು ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ಫಿಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತಾ ಮೇಲೆ ಬಂದ ಹಾಗೆ, there is an orbital in a pi orbital, there should be an unpaired electron present in that. That's why I told here, due to presence of one or more unpaired electron in a O2, there is 2 unpaired electron present in a molecular orbital diagram or molecular orbital. So we can write O2 comes under in a paramagnetic nature. Now next we will move for the diamagnetics. Here, which is reverse to paramagnetic. Why? Because it is weakly attracted, here weakly repelled. ಇಲ್ಲಿ repel ಆಗ್ತದೆ, but ಇಲ್ಲಿ attract. ಇಲ್ಲಿ paramagnetically attract, here repel. Now here, what's the properties of ಇದಕ್ಕೂ ಮತ್ತು ಇದಕ್ಕೂ ಏನು ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ? In this, no unpaired electron, each orbital should completely fill. ಎಲ್ಲ ಆರ್ಬಿಟಲ್ ಕೂಡ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಫಿಲ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. Okay, complete fill ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ ಏನು? There should be an what? Cancellation of what? Magnetic field due to presence of what? Both direction, ಎರಡು parallel or clockwise or anti-clockwise direction electron rotation ಅಥವಾ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತದೆ. So it will cancel the magnetic field. So weakly magnetized by the magnetic field in opposite direction. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಯಾವ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ನ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ಅದು ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟಿಕ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿನ ಶೋ ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ. But here Here also it should be in the presence of magnetic field only. Okay, it should be presence of magnetic field only, but weakly magnetized in the magnetic field. Okay, and in opposite direction, but here in the same direction. It should be in same direction, here opposite direction. Okay, pairing of electron will cancel the magnetic momentum. Illi already heli agide, what is that? Pairing of electron ide, hagagi magnetic momentum will cancel each other. Magnetic momentum will cancel each other. Now we'll move for an example. These three seen of what is that? H2O, NaCl and C6H6. These are the example. In these molecules, all electrons are paired up. In a bond formation, either in a molecular orbitals, all are what? Paired up in nature. Okay, next category of what? Magnetic property, based on magnetic property, that is ferromagnetic properties. Okay, ferromagnetic substance. Here, first point regarding the ferromagnetic property, here, what is that? Paramagnetic and diamagnetically weakly repelled as well as weakly attracted. But here we should be strongly attracted by the magnetic field. Okay, magnetic field apply madidre immediate agi react agtade. That is should be what? Strongly attracted, and it should be permanently magnetized. One sala magnetic property kotre that should attain as it is. Okay, so it should be permanently magnetic property. Next one concept in that what? Domain. What is the meaning of domain? So all electrons arranged in what? Orderly. All electrons arranged in a orderly. In that order, some of the portions are grouped together. Electron are grouped together that act as an what? Tiny magnetic nature, that are called as a domain. For example, see here, what is that? These are all what? Electrons. Okay, these are all what? Electrons. Here orientation of electrons are possible. Orientation of what? Electrons are possible. Now I'll consider only this portion. I'll consider only this portion as a domain. This domain acts as an what? Tiny magnetic nature. Why? Because here electron spin should be in a same direction. Electron spin should be in a same direction. Illi one direction idre entire set or entire group should have in the same direction. Okay, it should be processed same direction in a entire group, like this. So direction of what? Electron should be in this direction. Okay, so that's why this group act as a tiny magnetic. When you apply the magnetic field, it should be strongly attracted by this due to presence of what? Orientation in what? Ferromagnetic magnetism. In a ferromagnetism, what? All electrons in the same direction. All electrons in the same direction. Our tiny groups are called as a what? Domain. Okay, are called as a domain. Then unmagnetized piece are in a ferromagnetic substance. Some molecules or some atoms should process the different arrangement. Okay, illi cancel agbodu. For example, in this structure there should be in a reverse in case. Okay, entire concept domain. Our domain alli elladru onderedu electrons are in opposite direction. If it is opposite direction, we can cancel these two, right? Hagadre only two electrons in the same direction. That's why it will lose their magnetic property. If the domain having orientation in same direction, they should be strongly attracted or repelled. Sorry, attracted agi irtade. In case domain alli variation idre okay, if the domain having variation in that will causes the what? Loses their magnetic properties. Okay, so ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ the substance is randomly oriented. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದೇ ಕಡೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಓರಿಯಂಟೇಷನ್ ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. that should be random ಆಗಿ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ನಾವು ferromagnetically ನಾವು ಹೇಳೋದಾದ್ರೆ ಏನು? it should be in a same direction. It should be in a same direction. Okay, this should be ferromagnetic nature, and variation in a same. I already told variation should be in a same direction. That's the next point. Okay, so here ordering of domain persists even the absence of what? Magnetic field. Illi ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ persist means what? It will be retain ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. Okay, what's the meaning of that persist? Retain. So orderly arranged domain. It is a domain. This domain is orderly arranged. Even in the absence of magnetic field, it can process the magnetic momentum. Okay, magnetic field absent ಆಗಿದ್ರು ಕೂಡ it will process the magnetic properties. Okay, ಯಾಕೆ? This will persist the what magnetic nature, so we can call it's an permanently magnetized. It's called permanently magnetized. Example iron, cobalt, nickel and CrO2, chromium oxides of chromium. Okay, iron. There are also iron we took Fe2 plus Fe3 plus in a paramagnetic nature. Okay, why? Because only one electrons are unpaired, or one or two electrons are unpaired, but here electron orientation should be in the same direction, or orientation should be same in direction. So this is the example for what ferromagnetism. Now we'll move for the next kind of what magnetism, that is antiferromagnetism. Antiferromagnetism, here similar orientation in that, but orientation or electron domain should be same, but the changes in what orientation. In case in the antiferromagnetic, the reverse of what ferro antimagnetic nature. What is that? In a domain, electron in a one direction, orientation of electron in a one direction, very next should be reverse. Then next one more, if you consider one more, it should be in a opposite direction. Now continuity will create like this. Hagadre, we can easily identify either it is permanently magnetized or there is no magnetic property here. Here what is that? That will cancel the magnetic momentum. Here what is that? One is in this direction and then in a opposite direction. This will cancel the what? Magnetic momentum. Both electron orientation should be in a alternative agi, one upward direction, downward direction. So here what is that? Magnetic property will cancel each other. We can say it is an antiferromagnetic properties, antiferromagnetism, which is reverse to what? Ferromagnetism. Illi reverse agirudenu only the orientation. Domain should be same. This is in domain, here also domain. Okay, both are domain. Eradu kuda domain iruvantaddu. Domain alli orientation should be in a opposite direction, or alignment in a opposite direction. Okay, one direction is innondu bere direction alli it should be opposite in direction. And we move for the last one, that is ferrimagnetism. In this, what happens? Again we'll consider the domain. But in this domain there is an what? Alignment or orientation are different. In case first atom having like this. Okay, first atom having like this, next two are in the same direction, again third one becomes like this in a upward direction, rest two are in a downward like this. Okay, so hagadre alternative agi ee riti illa. It's not like antiferromagnetism, but which is just slight difference in their orientation that comes under in a ferrimagnetic nature. Ferrimagnetism means domain alignment parallel and anti-parallel unequal manner. Okay, illi equal manner idre alignment parallel matte anti-parallel idre, but here unequal. Your exact portion will continue, but here two are down, one is up, next two are down, next may be up in a domain range. In a domain range it should be in a like this. So which is called as in what? Ferrimagnetism. What is the nature of this ferrimagnetism? Here it can loses the ferrimagnetic nature by heating. Once you heating this substance, ferrimagnetic substance heat madidre, it will loses the ferrimagnetism. But again it can get the paramagnetic nature. It will get the paramagnetic nature. Illella electron unequal manner ಇದೆ, that will becomes what? Equal manner, or equal manner in the sense what? That will get paired up. Red should be what? One or two electron should be unpaired. Okay, so it can get the paramagnetic nature by heating. Okay, example for ferrimagnetic, that is Fe3O4 and MgFe2O4. These two are the example.